Hello friends, a few years ago QA engineers were struggling to get salary hikes, but today something shocking is happening. Some QA engineers are suddenly earning double salary, not because they switched company, not because they become developer, but because they learned one thing, AI. While some testers are getting replaced, others are becoming valuable. In this video, I will show you why companies are paying AI QA engineers more, which AI skills are creating massive demand, real examples of salary growth, and how you can become an AI powered QA engineer before 2027. Trust me, if you are in testing, this video can completely change your career direction. Let me ask you something. If AI can already generate test cases, write automation scripts, analyze bugs, create API tests, and even self-heal locators, then why are companies paying some QA engineers more than ever? Shouldn't salaries go down? That's where most people are confused. AI is not removing all QA jobs equally. AI is splitting QA engineers into two categories: traditional testers and AI powered QA engineers, and the salary gap between them, these two groups, is becoming massive. By the end of this video, you will understand who will struggle, who will dominate, and exactly how to position yourself in the winning category. First, the old QA model is dying. Let's be brutally realistic. The old QA model was manual regression testing, repetitive execution, copy-paste bug reporting, maintaining huge fragile scripts, and doing the same testing again and again. But AI is becoming extremely good at repetitive work. Today, AI tools can generate Selenium code, create Playwright scripts, produce test scenarios, summarize defects, and even predict risky areas. So companies are asking, why should we pay high salaries for repetitive work? That's why many average testing roles are becoming low value. But companies still desperately need people who understand testing strategy, product thinking, automation architecture, AI assisted workflow, and intelligent quality engineering. That's why AI QA engineers are becoming premium professionals. Second, what is an AI QA engineer? An AI QA engineer is not someone replaced by AI. It's someone who uses AI to become 10x faster. Imagine two testers. Tester 1 writes test cases manually, takes 5 days for regression, creates automation slowly, needs support for debugging. Tester 2 uses AI tools to generate test scenarios in minutes, auto-create automation scripts, analyze logs instantly, generate API test, identify flaky test, optimize regression suits. Which tester do you think companies will pay more? Exactly. AI QA engineers are becoming productivity machine, and companies love productivity. Third, why they are earning 2x salary. Point 1. They save company money. If one AI QA engineer can do the work of 3 traditional testers, the company happily pay them higher salary. Point 2. They release faster. Modern companies release software every day. Speed is everything. AI powered testing helps faster automation, faster bug detection, faster CI/CD execution, faster release confidence. The faster the release, the bigger the business impact. Point 3. There are very few skilled people. Here's the biggest reason. Most AI QA engineers are still learning old Selenium frameworks, outdated manual processes, and repetitive execution. But very few know AI testing workflows, LLM integration, AI automation tools, intelligent test generation, autonomous testing agents. Whenever supply is low and demand is high, salary explodes. The shocking truth. Now, here's the twist nobody talks about. Companies are not searching for people who simply know ChatGPT. They want QA engineer who can combine QA knowledge, automation, AI tools, and business understanding. That combination is rare. Just using ChatGPT to write test cases is not enough anymore. The future belongs to engineers who can build intelligent QA system. Imagine this workflow. AI reads requirement, generates test scenarios, creates Playwright scripts, runs tests automatically, analyzes failures, generates defect reports, and even suggests fixes. The QA engineer managing this workflow becomes extremely valuable. Fourth, top AI skills that increases QA salary. Skill 1, AI assisted automation. Learn tools like Playwright, AI test generations, self-healing automation, AI locator strategies. Skill 2, prompt engineering for QA. Prompt engineering is becoming a superpower. A good prompt can generate test cases, automation code, API validations, SQL queries, edge cases, and debugging solutions. Skill 3, API plus backend testing. AI becomes much more powerful when combined with API testing. If you know Postman, REST APIs, authentication, database validations, you instantly become more valuable. Skill 4, AI plus CI/CD integration. Companies want automation integrated into DevOps pipelines. If you understand Jenkins, GitHub Actions, Docker, CI/CD, cloud execution, your salary jumps dramatically. Skill 5, building AI QA agents. This is the future. AI agents that generate tests, execute workflows, analyze failures, and optimize testing automatically. Very few QA engineers know this today, which means massive opportunity. Now listen carefully. You do not need to become an AI scientist. You don't need advanced mathematics. You don't need to leave QA. You simply need to evolve. The biggest winners in the next 3 years will be QA engineers who adapt early, testers who learn AI tools, and professionals who combine domain knowledge with automation and AI. Remember this sentence: AI will not replace smart QA engineers, but QA engineers using AI will replace those who don't. If you want, I can also make videos on how to become AI QA engineer from scratch, best AI tools for testers, AI automation framework, building AI QA agents, future QA roadmap for 2027, highest paying AI QA skills. Comment below AI QA if you want a complete roadmap series. And if this video opened your eyes, make sure to like the video, subscribe or follow the channel, share it with your QA friends, because the future of testing is changing fast, and on this channel, Swadeep Nagar QA AI Labs, we are doing to stay ahead of it. Thank you.